Hi everybody, in today's video I'm showing you how to create Flexjob account step by step. Flexjob is a trusted online job platform that specializes in remote work from home, freelance and flexible jobs. All jobs on Flexjobs are hand screened which helps users avoid scams and find legitimate opportunities. So first you need to open your browser on your laptop or the desktop. You can go to the official Flexjob website, type down flexjob.com and enter it, and you'll get into this official website of the Flexjob over here. When you reach over here on the top right corner, you can see there's an option for sign up. Click on the sign up. Here what you have to do is you are required to type down your basic credentials of your name, last name, email address, confirm your email and your password as well. You simply fill up all of the credentials, and after you're done, select sign up today. Yeah. Make sure you use an email address you can easily access. And that is it. This is how you can sign up to the Flexjob. Flexjob is a paid platform, so you need to choose a membership plan. So you'll see option like monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You can select the plan that fits your needs and continue. Next, you can enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once payment is successful, your Flexjob account will be activated immediately. And after signing up, log in and complete your profile details like job preferences and skills. This helps Flexjob show you better job matches. And that's it. That's how you can create a Flexjob account step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.